Inflammation is a natural process that helps the body heal and defend itself from harm. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, pain, and diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Reducing inflammation is crucial for maintaining overall health and boosting energy levels. Here are some of the best strategies to reduce inflammation and feel more energetic. 1. Adopt an anti-inflammatory diet. What you eat can significantly impact inflammation in your body. Emphasize a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, which are packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and citrus fruits are particularly beneficial. Healthy fats, such as those found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, flax seeds, and walnuts, contain omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide fiber that can help reduce inflammation. Incorporating spices and herbs such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon into your meals can also offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Additionally, nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of anti-inflammatory compounds. 2. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to combat inflammation. It helps reduce inflammation by promoting circulation, enhancing the body's immune response, and aiding in the maintenance of a healthy weight. Activities such as walking, swimming, cycling, and yoga can be particularly beneficial. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 3. Manage stress. Stress management is crucial in reducing inflammation. Chronic stress can lead to the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, and yoga can help manage stress levels. Ensuring you have regular downtime, hobbies, and social interactions can also contribute to lower stress and reduced inflammation. 4. Get adequate sleep. Quality sleep is vital for reducing inflammation and maintaining energy levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime can help improve sleep quality. 5. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and can help reduce inflammation. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to inflammation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you are active or live in a hot climate. 6. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can increase inflammation in the body. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol intake can significantly reduce inflammation and improve overall health. If you need help quitting smoking, seek support from healthcare professionals or smoking cessation programs. 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body weight can contribute to inflammation. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help reduce inflammation and improve energy levels. Focus on gradual, sustainable weight loss rather than quick fixes or fad diets. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can effectively reduce inflammation and boost your energy levels, leading to a healthier and more vibrant life.